A study have shown that men with solar energy system last longer in their room compared to those that don't have solar energy system. Don't ask me how, because in the room, if you don't have solar energy system and there is no NEPA light, you go sweat steady, and that will make you a 2 minute man. So 2 minutes man, we have a system for you. That's why we are here for you. Don't forget, my name is Miriga Emmanuel, your favorite solar energy guide. Here we just concluded another installation with a beautiful 6 kilowatt 48-volt hybrid inverter from Growatt. This inverter has double mppt and can handle up to 8,000 watts from the solar panels. We have mppt 1 and mppt 2. mppt 1 can handle 4,000 watts and mppt 2 can handle the same 4,000 watts. Now, the configuration we did here on the roof, we have 13 units of 620 watts, generating about 8,000 watts or 8,060 watts. The 60 watts is actually negligible. Now, this guy is handling 6 units of 620 watt panels connected in series. This guy is handling 7 units of 620 watt connected in series. Now, this system is to power an office, which is mostly like a backup system. If there is no power from the grid, this guy will take over. And if there is power from the grid, it will relax for the grid to work until when the grid goes out. So the system is designed to power a peak load of 4,700 watts. And what we are generating from the solar panel is 800 watts. At the end of the day, due to the losses and every other thing, we might have at least 7,000 watts or 6,500 watts coming from the solar panels, which is enough to sustain our load of 4,700 watts at peak, and channeling about 2,000 or 1,500 watts to the battery bank, which will keep the system running steady without a problem. So the Growatt is a very beautiful inverter. Aside the double mppt, I love the design of the 6 kilowatt Growatt inverter. Now, if you observe the display, everything is boldly written. It will tell you everything you need to know without doing much. The inverter also comes with a Wi-Fi dongle, which you can connect to your phone and view everything that the phone is doing. Now, the noise level of this inverter, I think I'm cool with it. If you observe, the inverter is working presently, though there is no much load, just 4.4% load, and the fan is not running. So the fan is a smart fan that senses that the temperature is rising or the load have increased, the amount of load have increased. Then it will blow for some time and go off until the temperature rises again, or until the load increases. Then it will blow and stop. So the reason why we use a 15 kilowatt hour lithium battery is because this is an office environment. The battery will not stress. Yes, because if there is no solar panels, there might be grid, and if there is no grid, there will be solar panels. So the battery will just back up for a few time, maybe for a few hours or for a few minutes when there is blackout. If the weather is okay, the battery won't do much. The only time the battery might do much is when the weather is dull, there is no power from the grid. That is when the battery will do much. And they come to the office around 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning and close by 4 or 5 p.m. So within this period, the solar panels will do most of the job. So at most, they will go home leaving the battery at 100% or at 80%, depending on the weather condition of that day. Here we have this little big boy. This is just a rotary switch for them to change from inverter to grid in case something goes wrong with the inverter. Now, this guy is for emergency purpose. When something is wrong with the inverter, you can easily switch back to the grid while trying to rectify what is wrong with the inverter. Instead of doing it automatically without this guy, it will be stressful whenever the inverter has problems. So this guy is here just for emergency purpose. This guy might not work for the next 2-3 years or the next 5 years, as long as the inverter is intact. So if you didn't get it earlier, this is a 6 kilowatt Growatt inverter with double mppt, mppt 1 with 4,000 watts, mppt 2 with 4,000 watts. And here is a 15 kilowatt 48-volt lithium battery from Seawatt, comes in 80% DOD. This guy have 5 years warranty, and this guy is about 2 or 3 years warranty. And to all my viewers, I recommend you buy this guy over the new design Daya inverter.